Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and the review video of Maeve. Maeve is a product that was developed by the Digitaldames in joint venture with Jono Armstron. So what is Maeve all about? So with this product, they will teach you how you can harness your platform such as the Google AdWords, your Gmail, your YouTube, and turn them into a buyer traffic, and as such earn commissions. So this is what these ladies in conjunction with Jono are saying about this product. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details first, also giving you a full demo of how this product was. And don't forget to click on the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment, and click the like, share, subscribe button also. And as usual guys, I've added some of my bonuses today. So to have access to all my bonuses, all you need to do guys is to click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you to this page. So this is my bonus page guys. These are the bonuses that I've added today, but in a minute I'll come back and then I will share the bonuses that I've added today. Let me take you guys quickly to the sales page. Let's see what they are saying about this product. So it says that actually they have a case study that shows a Google secret weapon, and it's what with Facebook and Amazon, as it generates them a little below 1,500 in daily affiliate commissions. And these are the features of this product. That is new artificial intelligence system that will generate massive traffic, and then from any niche. And then you have a secret hack that combines the power of Gmail, YouTube, and Google for daily commissions. Also, they will show you Google's weapon in its fight with Facebook and Amazon, like I mentioned earlier. So without email list or making videos or even writing content, you will also earn commission. And they said it's 100% newbie friendly. So, and you can set it up within 10 to 30 minutes. It's scalable to the moon and then works both online and offline. So guys, on online and offline, it works for online and offline businesses. And to top it all guys, you also have 30-day money back guarantee. So with all this that they have promised guys, they are also adding that if you do not like this or what they have promised you didn't see after purchasing, that you can be refunded 100% within 30 days. Yes, this is what they are saying. Now guys, I have shown you the features. Let me take you guys quickly to the steps you need to deploy to get it up and running. So it's actually 3 steps. Of course, you purchase it to have access to login, and then you choose the keyword, set it up within 30 minutes, within 10 to 30 minutes, and then you watch as leads and results starts to flood in. Yes, this is what they are saying. And let me take you to people that are using it already, what they have said about the product. Okay, so this is Brian right here. It says I can scale very easily and get many results a lot faster. I'm not going to read everything because of for the sake of time. And then this is Bridget, and it says I get really impatient, and this is the fastest way to promote any offer and build your digital assets. And this is Kevin right here. It says I'm too shy to be on camera, that's why I started this and never looked back. So you'll realize with this the traffic is no longer an issue. All right guys, you have seen what users of this product have said about this product. Let me quickly take you guys to the bonuses that they have added guys. Yes, they added 4 bonuses today. So remember, even if it is just the front end that you are purchasing today, you will have access to 4 of their bonuses and 5 of mine. So pretty much, and you can access all of these bonuses even if it's just the front end that you are purchasing. But remember guys, that with just the front end and these bonuses, I think it is worth the price that you're paying for it. The first bonus that they have added here is a hack that will show you how to earn additional $100 daily, daily posting unlimited free ads. Second one shows you how you can get free $100 coupon for your campaigns. The third one will show you how to get multiple passive income streams fast. And then the fourth one shows you how to make money rain according to ordinary people who do. So now you have seen 4 of theirs. Let me quickly take you guys to 5 of mine. So the first bonus that I've added today guys is actually a hack by Jono Armstron that shows you his 3 favorite traffic sources. And then the second one is Equinox Pro, and then the third one that I've added is 10K email manifesto. The fourth one is how to siphon traffic from other sources without email lists. And then of course you have access to the vendor bonuses, all vendor bonuses. Guys, remember that the clock is ticking. This product will go live in just a matter of hours today. So you have extra 3 days to purchase and then have access to all these awesome bonuses that I've mentioned. And remember guys, like I said, I am assuring you that you have access to all these bonuses provided you purchase within this time frame. But once this time elapses, you probably will not have access to 100% of the bonuses. It might be 50%. Yes. So another point to note here is that if you're buying through Warrior Plus, to have access to the bonuses, click on this blue button where it says access affiliate bonuses. Click on it. My bonuses shall be automatically added. If it is through JVZoo, where the red arrow is, click on that box here, and then my bonuses shall automatically be added. Now guys, I have shown you the bonuses. Let me quickly take you to the prices and the upsells. So the front end, like I mentioned earlier, is less than $13. If you order with the bump, it will add $8 $7.47. But remember, like I mentioned, with less than $13 you have access to 9 bonuses today. Yes. And then if you upgrade, the upsell one, which is the ride bullet train to charging station, is $67. So they have they have the work done for you. So basically most of the things will be done for you guys. This is what they are saying. And then for the upsell too, I'm not going to read everything though for the sake of time. I mean, if you purchase it, you have access to all of this info right here. So the upsell too, which is the outsourcing suite, is your 100% hands-free solution, and that is $397, guys. So it says that their expert team will spoil you like a royalty and do everything for you. So basically this is a done for you suite. And then the upsell 3 says cheat your way to pretty profits, and it's $97. So it says you get to steal hundreds of thousands of their sizzling hot traffic and get 10 times more conversions. And then the upsell 4, which is the advanced underground marketing strategies, is $47. It is never seen before detailed high value, high volume, high quality audiences. And then you reap the rewards. And then the upsell 5 is the never done before mega sale for Maeve reseller rights. So you get to sell this, I believe, and then earn your commissions throughout the entire funnel. The upsell 6, which is the never done before your mega value bundle reseller right, is $97. So the reseller rights license to number 1, 2, and 3, but 4 of their hot converting products with commissions throughout the entire funnels. Yes, guys, this is all they have said about the prices and then the upsell. So let me take you guys to the members area. Let's see how it looks like. Once you log in, this is the dashboard area. This is what you will see. And then says of course on the right hand side you can see the support. If you have questions, you can click on there and submit a ticket. And then this is on the left hand side you see the options. You see the let's see how this looks like generally. So you see the welcome to Maeve, the introduction, your resources, express bonus page generator, express campaigns setup, a boost to your conversion rate, case studies, debrief, access to your bonuses, access to scale your income. So if you click on the welcome, you get to receive a welcome information from Jono and the Digitaldames. And then the intro. Of course, the first intro is about the power of Google Discovery Ads, and then your resources will be how to create your Google Ads account set up with your first campaign, create your conversion pixels, marketplace optimize profile setup, and then express your bonus page generator. Click on it. This is what you see, and how to express deliver your bonuses. Bullet express bonus page generator. Click on the express campaign setup. You can create and then create your conversion pixels, discovery, ads, campaign setup. Then on the boost your conversion rates, tricks of the trade, and then on the bonuses, this also the case studies, and then recap and bird's eye view, access to your bonuses. So these are from here you can have access to multiple bonuses, and then you can under access to scale your income. These are the things you get, guys. All right, let's take a listen briefly to what Jono has to say.
Hey there, this is Jono Armstron here. Welcome and congratulations on picking up Maeve. Now, before you get into the content, which I'm sure you're itching to do, I just want to let you know that I'm going to be doing a free training workshop in a few days' time. Now, on this workshop, I'm going to show you the 3 elements that I use in my business to generate upwards of $100,000 each and every month. Now, these 3 things are easy, and I'm going to show you what these 3 things are on this workshop. So to register, there's going to be a button down below this video. When you click on that button, it's going to take you through to a registration page where you can go and fill out your details. You can also go and see the dates and times that this workshop is going to take place. So make sure that you put this in your diary because you don't want to miss this. I only do this workshop once every 30 days. And the people that have attended this workshop have gone on to do massive results. Like Branson here, like Zishan, like Robin, like Philip, okay? All of these guys watch this workshop, and now it's your turn to do so as well. It's completely free to attend, so go and register down below. Now, I'm sure you're itching to get into the training, so I'm going to introduce you to the Digitaldames.
Thanks, Jono. That's a great introduction. And if you haven't met us before, we're the Digitaldames, and we'd like to give you a big warm welcome to Maeve. Now, Maeve is one of the ways that we actually, the 3 of us, use to promote our offers. And so what's going to happen is that the girls and I are going to run you through exactly what you're going to be getting with Maeve. My name's Paula Marie, and I am a Kiwi. I'm a New Zealander. I am in New Zealand at the moment in Christchurch. I've been here on holiday for an extended holiday since April, and but I actually do live in Melbourne, Australia.
Hi, I'm Kath, and I live in London. Everyone calls me Kafaya or Kath. Doesn't really matter. But yeah, I live in London, and it's actually going to be heat wave this week, which is pretty exciting.
Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Nanda, and I am from Indonesia originally, but right now I live in the northeast of UK. Hopefully I can travel around again and visit the hot country, go to Bali and see Jono and his awesome pool.
We're so happy to have you guys at the members area. You are in for a treat. Maeve is going to take you to the next level. Okay, so we all know Google is revolutionary. They have like 2.6 billion active users. We all use Google, it's all somewhere in our life, YouTube, everything. Okay, so you think you don't see discovery ads everywhere. You see discovery ads everywhere, and that is why we're going to show you how to take your discovery ads to the next level. You can be sat at home, you can be on YouTube. Discovery ads are popping up everywhere, so you don't know that you're seeing things and you want to buy it. We need to put you in that position.
So guys, pretty much that is it from me to you guys today. I have shown you pretty much everything. Do not forget to click like, share, and subscribe, and also I will see you guys in my next video. You stay safe. Bye.